Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Ali Haider and today I will be giving a lecture on pharmacology. This will be the lecture number 2. So let's start. Around the same time, a significant increase in research across various biological fields commenced with the introduction of new concepts and techniques. Knowledge expanded regarding the drug action and its biological foundation, especially the drug receptors. Over the past 50 years, numerous novel drug categories and addition to existing ones have been merged. The post 30 years have witnessed a swift surge in information and comprehension of the molecular mechanism behind drug effects. So you can see I'm basically discussing the history how pharmacology evolved in last few years. Now let's see the mechanism of action. The molecular mechanism of action of many drugs have now been identified and numerous receptors have been isolated, structurally characterized and cloned. In fact, the use of receptor identification methods described in chapter 2 has led to the discovery of many of orphan receptors for which no ligand has been discovered and whose function can only be surmised. Students of the local molecular environment of receptors have shown that receptors and effectors do not function in isolation. They are strongly influenced by other receptors and by companion regulatory problems. So as you can see, the various receptors are now and working with various working with each receptors, and they are dependent on the other receptors how they are affect each other. And this is only possible due to recent publication and research by different students. Now we will see about the pharmacogenomics, the relation of the individual genetic makeup to his or her response to specific drugs is close to becoming a practical area of therapy. Decoding of the genome of many species from bacteria to humans has led to the recognition of unsuspected relationship between receptors families and the ways that receptors proteins have evolved. Discovery that small segments of RNA can interfere with protein synthesis with extreme selectivity has led to the investigation of small interfering RNAs and microRNAs as therapeutic agents. Similarly, short nucleotide chains called antisense oligonucleotides synthesized to be complementary to natural RNA or DNA can interfere with the readout of genes and the transcription of RNA. These intercellular targets may provide the next major wave of advance in the therapeutics. As we can see that RNA now will be the next step for the scientists to discover how these drugs are now reacting with the receptors. Now, what will be the role of FDA in this all the context of medicines? The extension of scientific principles into everyday therapeutic is still going on, although the medications consumed public is still exposed to vast amounts of inaccurate, incomplete, or unscientific information regarding the pharmacological effect of chemicals. Now, many companies claim that this medicine is acting this way, or this act will be eliminate this diseases from the body, but these are not accurate, and FDA is closely watching this claim by different pharmaceutical companies. This has resulted in the irrational use of innumerable expensive, ineffective, and sometimes harmful remedies and the growth of a huge alternative healthcare industry. Unfortunately, manipulation of the legislative process to the United States has allowed many substances promoted for health but not promoted specifically as drugs to avoid meeting the Food and Drug Administration FDA standards described in Chapter 5. Now, they take the name of alternative healthcare and they are challenging the FDA that FDA will not be checking us because due to the United States law that prevailed the alternative health processes. Now they have to check this process, otherwise it will be affecting the normal healthcare of the individuals. Converse lack of understanding of basic scientific principles in biology and health issues have led to the rejection of medical sciences by a segment of the public and to a common tendency to assume that all adverse drug effects are the results of malpractice. People think that only drug effects, different drugs affect adverse drug effects are due to the malpractice, but actually it due to the not having a proper medicine that's affecting the this does adverse drug effects due to, because common men do not know how these adverse drug effects are coming. So about this is something related to the different war. And today next time I will discuss next about the pharmacology affecting the other fields. Thank you very much. Inshallah, I will be discussing in next lecture about the next topics of pharmacology from the kids. And thank you very much. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye.